Come on. Say good night, Kobe. Good night, Kobe. Come on, Cade. Yep. Okay, come in here. Scared me there, buddy. Oh, you want to go in your bedroom? Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the mess you made with all your diapers. Pick all your books up. Put your books away. You ready for your bath? Get down here. You ready for your bath? My goodness, you're fast. You're lightning fast. Yes, you are. How old are you? 1. Hey, Kate. Man, you made this mess in here. You're going to have to help me pick it up. Okay, let's go turn the water on. Oops. Can you help me turn? Okay. Oh, where'd you go? Kobe, are you supposed to be down here? I didn't think so. Kobe, via. Whoa, you scared me there, buddy. You gonna go get her? Okay, you can go get her. Okay, I gotta shut it off.